We are a company that specializes in providing expert training and support services to organizations seeking to improve their digital literacy and skills. Our team of experienced instructors has extensive knowledge of various technologies and platforms, allowing us to deliver tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of each client. By leveraging our expertise, clients can gain valuable insights into emerging trends and best practices, enabling them to stay ahead of the competition. Our goal is to empower organizations to succeed in the digital age by providing them with the necessary tools and resources to drive innovation and growth. The company offers a comprehensive training program for Infor Mongoose, which includes both theoretical and practical aspects. Theoretical foundations are built upon established principles of software development, while practical exercises provide hands-on experience with the system. Participants will learn how to design, implement, and maintain Infor Mongoose applications, as well as troubleshoot common issues and optimize performance. The training covers various topics such as data management, user interface design, and integration with other systems. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, organizations must be agile and adaptable to stay ahead of the competition. One way to achieve this agility is through rapid application development using low-code technologies. With Infor Mongoose, businesses can unlock the power of seamless integration, streamlined business processes, and expert skill building. This enables them to build and deploy custom applications with minimal coding effort, effortlessly integrating with existing enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems. By doing so, companies can accelerate their time to value and improve their overall project readiness. With Infor Mongoose, businesses can empower their teams with industry-leading capabilities and take their organization to the next level. Our training programs are designed to provide numerous benefits, including enhanced skills, increased productivity, and improved job satisfaction. By choosing our training services, you'll have access to expert instructors who will guide you through interactive and engaging lessons. Our goal is to help you discover new ways to work smarter, not harder, and achieve your professional goals. With our flexible learning paths, you can learn at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. Whether you're looking to develop new skills or enhance your existing ones, our training solutions are here to support you. Our training programs are tailored to meet the needs of both individual professionals and corporate teams. Individual training is designed to meet the specific needs of each learner. This type of training is tailored to help learners achieve their personal and professional goals. The course material is carefully crafted to align precisely with the learner's project requirements and objectives. Learners have the flexibility to learn at their own pace, with self-paced options that fit their schedule. Expert instructors deliver live video sessions, providing certified Infor Mongoose professionals as teaching aids. These instructors bring real-world experience to the training, making it relevant and engaging. Through practical exercises and real-time scenario-based case studies, learners gain hands-on experience and develop essential skills. This approach enables learners to apply what they've learned immediately, making the most of their investment in the training program. By combining customized content with expert instruction, individual training sets the stage for long-term success. Our corporate training programs are designed to provide a customized workflow tailored to your unique business processes. This allows us to deliver training that is relevant to your organization's specific needs and goals. We offer a range of delivery options including on-site and virtual classroom settings, which enables us to accommodate distributed teams. Many top companies have already experienced the benefits of our corporate training programs, including DHL, PwC, Tech Mahindra, KPMG, and other well-known organizations. By using our training programs, organizations can accelerate project readiness and reduce the time to value, resulting in faster returns on investment. Our training programs focus on retaining knowledge and applying it successfully, ensuring that the skills learned are aligned with your company's specific needs and existing projects. We work closely with clients to integrate training into their overall strategy, providing ongoing support to ensure long-term benefits. We offer a variety of services, including team sessions, post-training support, and strategic integration to meet the evolving needs of your team. Our goal is to empower your organization to succeed in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Vistasparks offers a wide range of solutions for various industries. The company provides comprehensive support across multiple sectors. Expert instructors deliver hands-on training globally, ensuring continuous learning and development. Vistasparks has extensive experience working with real-world materials and projects, offering valuable certification guidance. The company's commitment to excellence guarantees 100% customer satisfaction. Customers can access 24/7 support for both corporate and individualized training needs. The course agenda for Module 1 is designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to Infor Mongoose, covering key concepts such as architecture and development principles. This foundational knowledge will enable students to build a strong understanding of Mongoose and its applications. The module will cover essential topics including Mongoose design patterns, data modeling, and software development methodologies. Students will gain hands-on experience with Mongoose through interactive exercises and case studies, allowing them to apply theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios. By the end of this module, students will have a solid grasp of Mongoose fundamentals, enabling them to move forward with confidence in their learning journey. The module focuses on setting the stage for understanding the Infor Mongoose platform and its key components. It provides an overview of the platform's architecture, object data modeling, and the design principles behind it. The main goal is to learn how to navigate the Mongoose interface and develop essential skills from the ground up. By mastering the fundamental building blocks of Infor Mongoose development, participants can create effective solutions. The module covers topics such as system configuration, user management, and database integration. Participants will gain a solid foundation for creating effective solutions by completing this module. The knowledge gained in this module will be useful for future modules and projects. The course covers the basics of application development using Infor Mongoose. Students will learn how to design and build functional applications using forms, fields, and intelligent data objects. The module focuses on creating user-friendly interfaces and integrating data from various sources. Through hands-on exercises and real-world examples, students will gain practical experience in developing applications that meet specific business needs. By the end of this module, students will have a solid understanding of application development principles and be able to apply them to their own projects. The process of creating forms and fields is critical to developing an effective application. Designing intuitive user interfaces requires careful consideration of data collection and input controls. Users must be able to easily interact with the application through well-designed forms and fields. Effective use of elements such as text boxes, drop-down menus, and checkboxes enables a smooth user experience. Moreover, when creating forms and fields, it is vital to think about how data will be collected and stored. Establishing relationships between different data types and implementing validation rules are essential to ensuring accurate and consistent data entry. A robust and reliable application can be built by considering these factors. Advanced features are available to help you take your applications to the next level. Sophisticated workflows can streamline complex processes, increasing efficiency and enhancing productivity. Security is a key consideration as measures are taken to protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access. Automation optimizes applications by integrating them seamlessly with other systems and tools. Mastering these advanced features enables you to tackle challenging projects effectively. Our team of experts will guide you through the process of implementing robust security measures and optimizing workflows for efficiency. We'll show you how to design custom user interfaces, automate business processes, and work with complex data relationships. Whether you need help with UI customization, security controls, or process automation, our expert instructors will provide hands-on training and support. Let's get started on your path to digital futurism. The course module focuses on creating powerful reports and deploying applications across various platforms, such as web and mobile devices. This enables organizations to gain valuable insights from their data and present it in a clear and concise manner. By mastering reporting and deployment skills, participants will be able to create customized reports that cater to specific business needs, allowing them to make informed decisions. Furthermore, they will learn how to deploy their applications across different platforms, ensuring seamless integration and user-friendly interfaces. This comprehensive approach will equip participants with the necessary tools to drive business growth and improve operational efficiency. The training will focus on the key aspects of reporting and publishing applications using Infor Mongoose. This module will cover custom reports optimization, metadata upgrades, multi-platform publishing, and creating and customizing master performance tuning. The goal is to efficiently deploy and troubleshoot applications using the Mongoose techniques, particularly those involving metadata-driven approaches and seamless deployment to web and mobile platforms. By mastering these skills, participants will be able to create comprehensive reports and identify areas for improvement, ultimately enhancing their ability to optimize and publish applications effectively. The course agenda for Module 5 is focused on applying skills to practical scenarios. Students will work through case studies and exercises to develop their problem-solving abilities. Expert instructors will be available throughout the module to guide students through the material and provide support when needed. The main objective of this module is to enable students to apply what they have learned so far to real-world situations. By the end of this module, students are expected to feel confident in their ability to tackle complex problems and pass certification exams. Our training program provides hands-on experience with real-world projects, ensuring you apply the knowledge gained to practical scenarios. With our structured approach, you'll gain confidence in passing the Infor Mongoose certification exam. We offer comprehensive study materials, practice tests, and personalized feedback from certified instructors. Our goal is to help you master documentation standards and professional delivery methods, as well as provide certification prep with mock tests and expert guidance. Throughout your journey, we offer continuous support, access to study materials, and ongoing expert support to ensure your success. Individual training offers flexible learning paths that cater to your unique needs and preferences. With individual training, you can choose from intensive crash courses or extended learning programs that fit your schedule. Our expert trainers will work with you one-on-one to ensure you receive personalized attention and guidance. You have the flexibility to select your trainer and preferred session timings, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Additionally, self-paced learning enables you to learn at your own speed, with continuous mental support and guidance available throughout the process. This approach allows you to take control of your learning journey and achieve your goals. Our corporate training solutions are designed to meet the needs of your team, providing scalable and flexible learning experiences that align with your organization's goals and objectives. We offer a range of services including team sessions and post-training support to help retain knowledge and apply it successfully. Our strategic integration approach helps maximize business impact through technology stacks. By partnering with us, you can rest assured that your training needs will be met with customized solutions that cater to your specific requirements. Our training programs are designed to meet the unique needs of each organization, providing comprehensive support and guidance throughout the implementation process. With our expert instructors and hands-on industry experience, we deliver high-quality training that enables our clients to achieve their goals and succeed in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Mongoose Training Solutions are designed to empower teams to develop Infor applications quickly and efficiently. These solutions provide a comprehensive framework for building customized applications, enabling developers to focus on high-value tasks rather than tedious coding. With our expert guidance, teams can streamline their workflow, reduce errors, and increase productivity. By leveraging our low-code technology, teams can deliver high-quality applications faster, while maintaining control over the development process. Our training programs cater to various skill levels, ensuring that every team member can benefit from the expertise.